Hey everyone, Pat the Titties voiceover here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something every content creator can relate to. We all know YouTube can be huge. It's a platform where dreams can come true, where you can build a career, and where your voice can be heard by millions. Big dreams, big audiences, big opportunities. The potential is limitless, and the excitement is palpable. But getting there? It's a grind. The journey to success is paved with countless hours of hard work, late nights, and endless dedication. You're making videos, editing until sunrise. The creative process is exhilarating, but the editing? Not so much. Sound familiar? We love the creative side, right? Brainstorming new ideas, collaborating with others, and bringing our visions to life. Coming up with ideas, filming, sharing our passions, it's what drives us, what keeps us going. But then comes the editing. The tedious, time-consuming process that can feel like a never-ending battle. It's the biggest time sink, and honestly, it can suck the fun right out of YouTube. The frustration can be overwhelming. Hours spent cutting clips, adding transitions, fixing audio. The technical details can be mind-numbing. It's enough to make anyone question their sanity. The stress, the pressure, the endless tweaking and refining. And the worst part? It takes away from actually making more content, connecting with your viewers, and growing your channel. The very things that make YouTube rewarding. But what if I told you there's a way to break free from the editing grind? Imagine reclaiming your time and creativity. What if you could create more content, in less time, and actually enjoy the process again? It's not just a dream, it's possible. Let me introduce you to TubeMagic. This revolutionary tool is designed to streamline your editing process, making it faster and more efficient. Say goodbye to editing nightmares and hello to YouTube dreams. Time is precious, especially for creators. Every second counts when you're trying to build your brand and create content that stands out. Every hour spent editing is an hour not spent brainstorming new ideas or engaging with your audience. These are the moments that truly matter, the moments that help you grow and connect. It's a constant battle against the clock. The pressure to produce high-quality content quickly can be overwhelming. TubeMagic changes the game. It's a revolutionary tool that simplifies the editing process, making it faster and more intuitive. Remember wishing you had a clone? Someone to handle the tedious tasks while you focus on the creative stuff? Well, TubeMagic makes that dream a reality. It's not exactly a clone, but it's the next best thing. TubeMagic uses advanced AI to analyze your video, understand your style, and create a digital clone of you. This AI clone handles all the time-consuming tasks, letting you focus on creating more content. Double your output without doubling your workload. That's the power of TubeMagic's AI cloning. Section 4, the monetization machine turning views into cash. TubeMagic helps you turn your passion into profit. It optimizes your videos for maximum earning potential. TubeMagic makes it happen. Section 5, your week supercharged TubeMagic workflow. Ready to see how TubeMagic fits into your real life? Let TubeMagic work its magic. That's the TubeMagic advantage. Real creators, real results. Creators of all sizes are using TubeMagic. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer. Ready to change the game? TubeMagic awaits.